kilometers above the Earth's surface, the second stage falls down. And when the first stage and the second stage have fallen down, the upper stage opens, the satellite disconnects from the upper stage and sets into its orbit. Now I will tell you how satellites help in investigation in the MH370 missing plane. MH370 is a missing plane which is lost. Satellites have helped by taking pictures from space about the plane and finding debris about it. Now my friend Srinjoy will tell you the functions and parts of a satellite.
There are 10 main function and parts of satellite. They are known as instrument module, guidance sensor, sun sensor, primary mirror. So guidance sensor, primary mirror, secondary mirror, sun sensor, light shield, aperture door, guidance sensor, instrument module, electrical box, radio antenna, and obviously solar panels. These parts and functions work like their name describes them. For example, the radio antenna gets information of their current objective from the ground station and tells it to all parts of the satellites. This way the satellite works. The group of people or the person controlling the satellite from the ground station are called cerebrum. This is cerebrum. This is Spanish for brain. The government have hired these agents for IT and technological studies for their country. Now we will explain to you the advantages of a satellite. A satellite has many advantages, and there are five main purposes are their basic advantages. For example,
Weather forecasting. Satellites help in weather forecasting by taking pictures of the clouds from space. Then pictures of space. Satellites help the ecosystem by taking the pictures of space. Telecommunication. They help in telecommunication by helping in communication by receiving and sending binary and analog codes. They also help in, as you can see, telescoping.
What are these?
These are solar panels.
And what is this? You all are wearing a match like this.
It's about Lapan, sir. We'll explain it in our countdown.
You will explain later.
Excuse me, sir. This is a video of Lapan. We went to the place Lapan.
You speak on the mic, I can't hear you.
how the world works. Today we have come to the institute called NAPAN, which is a short form for National Institute of Aeronautics and Space.
You went there?
Here Ms. Mega has told us all the parts of the satellite which has been used for NAPAN 18 satellite. Now we will explain to you the parts. This is called a digital camera. A digital camera is used to take
Tell me
video
about
of the Earth's surface.
Tell me your experience. How did you find out about this?
Sir, on internet we were searching like space agencies in Indonesia and all. And
You
we-
searched, huh?
Yeah.
I like it. I like that.
So we wanted to do research and also we found Lapan and our parents helped us to get permission.
That's
for
Ken's
going
job.
there.
They should help you.
And they took us there and we interviewed them on 8th April.
What you've done, even we have not done. So you've done a great job. I congratulate you. And who wrote satellite there?
Sir, the Taylor.
That's nice. That's nice. A good souvenir for yourself. And they gave you this?
Lapan people, Lapan. And sir, they also gave us
Come on. For sure. And your report, National Institute of Aeronautics and Space. They gave you this book. Oh.
They were very happy when they
Sir, there's a huge library there. with both Indonesian books and English.
You have to borrow this one. You return it to them. You can return it to you? Can they have a look at
Yes,
it?
yes.
You can have it.
This is for you only.
I'll send it to the library eventually.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, we will explain to you our motto.
It's amazing. I mean, what you fellows have done, it's information for and knowledge for all of us. Well done.
Sir, this is the analog video camera. The analog video camera takes the video of the Earth's surface. This is the orientation finder. The orientation finder locates where the satellite is. And this is the radio antenna. The radio antenna sends the information from the satellite to the ground station.
Aeronautical engineer. You are future aeronautical engineer.
This is a solar panel.
Understood that, yeah.
The solar panel is the power source of the satellite. It gets the energy from the sun and converts it into electricity.
Did you see the movie Gravity?
We saw the trailer.
Did you see the movie?
That a part of video in
This is the S-band antenna. It's like a navigation part. It checks if the ships in the specific country are legal or illegal by checking its ID number.
Probably traced by MH 370. Does it pick up signals also? Satellites from the Earth? It can do many things.
This is the container. The container contains all types of scientific instruments in the satellite and helps it protect so that the scientific instruments don't fly away because of no gravity. And this is the sun sensor. The sun sensor indicates when the sun is giving enough radiant light for the solar panel to harness and use it as fuel for the satellite in space.
Very good. I want to share with you. The latest news, the Japanese satellite sent some cherry seeds inside. Seed of cherry fruit. The rotation around the seed, some seeds. When they got the seeds back, they planted the cherry, those seeds. They blossomed much faster. And now they are trying to find out what happened in space. They don't know. This is the latest news. You can check it. The Japanese satellite with cherry seeds. If you type that, so you can do a lot of tremendous research with this. This is the future.
Now, sir, I've heard of this too.
You heard of it? He's heard of it. Well informed.
I
Well
read it from
informed.
somewhere, sir.
You read it also. I also read it.
Now, sir, we will explain our PowerPoint. Satellite.
PowerPoint, your knowledge was tremendous. PowerPoint is facts and repetition. That is for you to synthesize your knowledge.
The Lapan we have photos and that's the video. We have photos. Also there, sir.
There.
Oh, there, the Lapan visit.
You just tell me about the photos there. There you are.
Sir, this is our teacher, Miss
Take the mic.
Mega. It was the one
Who went to bring Miss Mega?
sir,
The tour.
the one who we interviewed, sir, and she was also telling us parts of the satellites and the functions. And this was the part when we were seeing the videos in the Lapan link. This is when we were also seeing the video, sir. Miss Mega showed us a lightning video which happened, a satellite videoed it. And this was when we just reached Lapan. We took a video of it. This, we took a picture of all our posters.
Well done, boys.
And this, sir,
Speak in the mic.
sir, you know that they are launching the A2 satellite. The second one.
They are launching the satellite and the rocket is from which country?
India, sir. Sri Harikota.
Yeah, in Sri Harikota. that rocket, from Indian rockets launch many satellites. But the satellite is made in Indonesia by Indonesian scientists and they will track it.
Sir, do you know that the size of this satellite is the same like what they're launching?
Same means
The A2 satellite, same size with this. It's like,
about that big.
yes, it's that big.
And what will it do?
So it's like like for radio, telecommunication.
Really good. Yeah. Well done, boys. Really good. Yeah.
After the visit, they told
No,
me
no,
the
no.
stories.
I need a candy after that. Thank you. Well done, well done. That was really good. Miss Pressy will write this. Okay, is this the last?
Welcome to GSRO, Gandhi Space Research Organization.
Oh, after ISRO, not GSRO.
Space Research Organization.
Oh,
electronic devices. This and technology is what makes our life good. We, as IB learners, as good thinkers, search further and got to know many disadvantages of satellites too. First, cost. Costs a lot to make a satellite. It costs 12 billion one satellite and 12 billion dollars one satellite. 12 billion dollars one satellite. And cost one, and in addition to that, cost $120 million to launch a satellite. This is a real problem for the satellite organizations. Second, signals. Again, we know that satellites help us in signal, but whenever we call, there's a time gap that annoys a user that wants to do an emergency call. Third, junkyard. Satellites have made a junkyard out of space. Too many satellites have crashed there and they stay there forever. Rockets passing into space, most of rockets passing into space have crashed into these satellites and many lives have gone. Now my friend Isaac will tell you how some people have taken steps to avoid these disadvantages. Of course, every technology has advantage and disadvantage. We became enthusiastic when we found out there are ways to overcome the disadvantages. Number one, the jump. NASA is trying to send machines which will refuel the old satellites. Now, about the scattered pieces. ESA is trying to send machines. This is a mission named D-Orbit. In this, machine will be launched, which is controlled by robots, and this will connect all the pieces of the satellite through a net. Number two, the cost. As Mehul said, the cost is mostly spent on fuel. So, half of it are spent on fuel. So, to avoid it, ESA is trying to send satellites with electric engine, not those with chemical thrusters. Chemical thrusters work faster than an electric engine, but just runs off faster. Like one of this is GOES from ESA. Electric engine, it's the first electric engine satellite. Only use 40 kg of cell to work, while chemical thrusters use a lot of big tanks.
Good knowledge. You have got very sound knowledge of satellites. And your model, there is all satellites. Spoke well of it. Anything else, boys, you want to tell me? Anything which on your mind? When you find out about the cost of the satellite, it's not $12 billion. You check on that. Check on the label.
It's $120 million.
$120 million.
It's $120 million to launch.
Launching I agree could be, but I think the cost is less than 20 million. Very big sum.
So it's 120 million.
So you just check. It's good. Good to find. Satellites can be different types. Small satellites, big satellites, very big satellites. So prices will vary. So you have the right to say that.
Here's what to explain about the non-geostationary and geostationary.
Okay, I want to know about that. Geostationary orbit.
Geostationary satellites are the satellites that move at the same speed as the Earth. So it looks like the satellite is fixed at one point, while non-geostationary moves faster or slower than the Earth.
Geostationary moves in the rotation.
Like it's at one fixed point.
So it keeps moving. So supposing if it's over Jakarta, it will remain above Jakarta all the time.
Yes. While non-geostationary
models, the charts, space life. Yes. Yes. And the
Space Research Organization.
who knows, we might really become big scientists of the world. Because this is a field which is not very known very little to us. So you can probably discover new things. All the best.
East or West, GSRO is the best.
Photograph. DSRO. DSRO is the best. Next time Daniel, best you come. And the teachers come. Water.